Hi, everyone. My name is Caroline, and I'm a law clerk here at Lefebvre Mitchell, PLC. Today, I would like to talk about different elements of the green card application process, starting with immigrant intent. I want to explore what immigrant intent is and why lying about it, even unintentionally, can cause serious problems later on. So, what is immigrant intent? In simple terms, immigrant intent means that you plan to move to the United States permanently, not just for a visit, but to live here and to eventually get a green card. Certain visas, like immigrant visas, green cards, or even dual intent visas like the H-1B, allow or assume immigrant intent. But here is where it gets tricky. Some visas require non-immigrant intent. If you've entered the United States on a non-immigrant visa, like a B-1, B-2 visitor visa, an F-1 student visa, or ESTA, you are legally stating that your visit is temporary. This means that you are promising not to plan to stay permanently in the United States. If you say one thing at the border or on your visa application, but then act differently, this is where problems with immigrant intent can begin. So why does this matter? Let's say you entered the United States on a tourist visa, and then you quickly apply for a green card, or you get married to a US citizen, or your plans change suddenly. If immigrant officers believe that you intended to stay permanently from the very start, this could be seen as visa fraud or misrepresentation and can result in a green card denial or even a permanent bar from entering the United States. This is where the 90-day rule comes in. USCIS often uses what's called the 90-day rule. If you take steps towards permanent residency within 90 days of entering the United States on a non-immigrant visa, officers may presume that you misrepresented your intent when you first entered. While this doesn't automatically mean your case will be denied, it does raise significant red flags that could delay or derail your application process. So why is this so important? Because honesty matters in immigration. Even if you didn't mean to lie, if USCIS thinks you weren't truthful about your intent, it can lead to denials, delays, or worse. If your plans change after you enter the United States, for example, if you fall in love, or you get a job offer, or you realize that you want to stay, you need to handle it carefully and legally. So what should you do? First, you need to be honest when applying for your visas. You must also understand the limitations of the visa that you are applying for. And you need to talk to an immigration attorney if your plans change while you're in the US. Here at Lefebvre Mitchell, we help people navigate these situations, especially when it comes to adjusting status and avoiding unintentional immigration mistakes. If you're unsure about your case or you're concerned about how past travel might affect your green card process, we are here to help. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another immigration tip. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in our next video.